Most law firms know AI can save time. What matters now is whether you're using it in a way that protects the firm, the client, and the attorney behind the work. In the last video, we covered the traffic light system, a simple way to classify AI use by risk. Today I'm covering policies 2 and 3, the approved tools list and human oversight. These two policies work together. One controls what tools get used. The other controls how much trust gets placed in the output. Let's start with the approved tools list. Not every AI tool is built for legal work. Some consumer tools may retain prompts, use inputs to improve the product, or offer terms that are not appropriate for confidential legal matters. That becomes a serious problem if attorneys or staff are entering sensitive information without understanding how the platform handles data. That's why firms need a vetted list of approved tools. Tools that have gone through IT review. Tools with appropriate privacy, security, and contractual protections. Tools the firm understands well enough to govern responsibly. And just as important, firms need a rule that says this: if a tool is not approved, it should not be used for firm work until the right review happens. Not after, before. That one step can prevent a lot of unnecessary risk. And it also helps with client trust. Clio reports that 70% of clients are either agnostic or prefer to work with firms that use AI. That means most clients are not automatically opposed to AI. What they care about is whether the firm is using it responsibly. So let's take a look at policy 3, human oversight. This is where a lot of firms get a little too casual. AI can be helpful. It can also be confidently wrong. It can produce inaccurate research, flawed summaries, invented citations, or language that sounds polished but misses legal nuance. That's why attorneys cannot treat AI output as final work product just because it sounds good. A well-known example is Mata versus Avianca, where attorneys submitted fake citations that were later exposed in court. The lesson wasn't just that AI can make mistakes. It was that lawyers remain responsible for the work they file and rely on. That principle shows up again and again in ethics guidance. If AI is being used for legal analysis, drafting, client advice, negotiation, or court submissions, the output should be reviewed by an attorney before it is relied on or sent out. AI can assist. It cannot take responsibility. That responsibility still belongs to the attorney. So the takeaway is simple. Use approved tools and apply meaningful human review to substantive legal work. Those two policies alone go a long way toward reducing avoidable AI risk inside a law firm. In the final video, I'm covering the last two policies, data input rules and documentation and training.